So let's get started. And so welcome to the introduction of artificial neural network, and we will also talk about some applications of neural network for business use cases. So before I begin, I just want to quickly remind, some of the concepts. What is where we are coming from in terms of deep learning. So again, deep learning, in order to understand machine learning and deep learning, first of all, let's begin with what is artificial intelligence, right? And even before we talk about artificial intelligence, I think it's important to define what is intelligence. So humans as an intelligence is something which allows us to make, inform future decision based upon information that we have currently. And if we can base our future decision based on current information that we have, then that entity is supposed to have intelligence. Now, having said that, the AI would be essentially, the artificial way or the computational way of mimicking intelligence, and that's a broad field. And within that field, you essentially have, this machine learning, which is a subset of AI field, in which we are focused on learning from data. And what we do is we try to improve at the task with some experiences from the past data that we have. And that broad field is machine learning, and I'm pretty sure that you have come across various types of machine learning algorithms at this point of time. And so that major field where everything is correlated with like having data and doing computations, doing algorithms on top of that data allows you to do useful thing, and that broad overall field is known as machine learning. But what we are focusing in today's class, which is like deep learning or deep neural networks, they are essentially a subset of machine learning techniques that are based on neural network as an architecture, as a basis, right? And this is slightly a different class. It's a subset, but slightly a different class than other techniques that you might have come across so far. So essentially, anything that builds upon neural network, and then we will see that depending upon how many hidden layers you have, we can define a network to be shallow or a deep neural network. So deep neural network is essentially a subclass of machine learning algorithms where we are using the basic machinery of neural networks to do various machine learning tasks. So that's the premise of this overall thing that we are talking today. Okay.